Alright, hi everyone, it's Aaron with Peaky's Locksmithing. Today we've got a 2014 Chrysler 300. Customer brought the car to a shop. Shop lost the keys. Customer wants the keys erased and a new key put in, so we're going to make one from scratch here. We have decoded the door lock using the lead sheet. And we've got the cuts. It's positions 2 through 8 in the door, and this is going to be for the emergency mechanical spare key, which fits into the proximity key in case the prox key dies. The battery dies, you can still use that physical mechanical key to get in and out of your vehicle. So here we've entered the cuts that we've decoded the door lock. And we're going to go ahead and get our code, and there is a valid code. And then what we do is we take this code and we enter it into our X-Horse Dolphin 2 key cutting machine. And we went to all keys lost on the main menu of the Dolphin. We put in our code. Again, this is a Y157, Y159 key blank. And it had us put the key blank on position 5, jaw A. And it's calibrating. It takes a few seconds to calibrate. Make sure it measures the key to make sure that all the diameters are correct and lined up correctly so that it cuts a good functional key. So that's what it's doing right now, and then it's going to go ahead and start cutting that key. Yeah, this is a great machine. I really like it. So we fast forwarded, and the key is cut. We're going to go ahead and take it out of the clamp, look at it. We're going to brush it off, and get any metal shavings off of it. And then we're also going to go and run it under the wire brush on our Blitz 1200 here, just to make sure we get any burrs that are left on there and get that off and cleaned up nicely. Alright, and here we are at the vehicle, and we're just going to make sure that it operates the door locks, which it does flawlessly. And now we're looking at our vehicle information. We're going to make sure that we have the right remote. We're checking the FCC IDs and the button configuration. Make sure that we're going to be generating the correct remote here. So that's what our prox key is going to look like here. Now guys, we're going to go into universal key. Put in our information, our vehicle information. Again, it's a Chrysler 300. It's a S. It's 2014. Alright, here it gives us our key to generate. We've got the key in the programming, or in the generation slot. So it says that there is only one universal key. Alright. Battery is good. Just put a new battery in. Let's get started. Generate universal key. This does take a bit of time. So I'll probably pause video and then restart it when the key is 100% generated. But you can see right now that it is generating the key. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, coming up on 100%. Okay, we're going to jump back into IMMO. And we're going to put in our vehicle information. to put in North America, because we're in North America. Here's a 300. Here's a 14. It is a SmartKey. Alright, looks good. We don't have a learned key, so we're just going to press OK. No, put on the blinkers. Alright. And also, yeah, you can see down there we have our VCI plugged into the OBD2 port. We're going to go into hot function. I'm going to go all SmartKey is lost, guided. And we're also connected to the hotspot from my phone. Alright, we're just gonna get started. And here, yeah, it just said that it's going to erase all the keys, but that's good because the customer wants all keys erased and a new one put in. Alright, ignition is off. Hazards are on. Alright, we've successfully read the pin. Now here in a minute it's gonna erase all the existing keys. So I'll go ahead and do that. Ooh, and it successfully erased those keys. Okay, and the keys were successfully erased. And now here it's telling me to make sure that the ignition is turned off. And we're going to hit OK. And now it's going to have me hold the prox key near the stop start button and press the lock and unlock on the key. And it's going to have me do it well until it registers on the KM100. What I should have done though was I should have pressed OK first on the KM100 and then done that. But yeah, it the key does take. You'll see here in a second. But right now I'm pressing the button. Sometimes you press it fast, sometimes you press it slow, and that can make the difference on if it takes or not. But here I'm doing it by the center console. There's different positions that you can try doing this in. And here I'm back doing it to the start stop button again. And just be patient with it. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to register. Okay. Okay. And see, now I just pressed OK, and I'm holding it up to the start stop button, and it's working. Okay. Running successful. Do you want to learn the next key? No. Please turn off the emergency hazards. Number of keys is 1. Succeeded. Alright. Let's check our buttons. Alright, looks good. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle. Alright, vehicle starts and runs. I hope this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments box. Again, this is Aaron with Pinky's Locksmithing. Thank you for watching.